Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video I want to go over a portable mobility scooter by Merits. It's called the Roadster 3. This is model number S731A. Now this scooter can be disassembled into 5 more manageable pieces without the use of tools, and when you do that, the heaviest piece weighs only 29 pounds. Total weight of the scooter is 99 pounds, but when disassembled, 29 pounds is the heaviest piece. It can support 300 pounds of weight. You have a top speed of 4 miles per hour. The battery range is up to 6 miles on a single charge. So this is a practical scooter to use for errands around town. If you're gonna go to the store, you need to use it on a cruise ship. You know, it'd work well for things like that, but it doesn't have a really long range, so it's just practical for those kind of uses. You'll notice that there's no armrest on this, but it does come with armrests. We just don't have armrests on this particular model, but it does come with armrests. They are adjustable in width and they are adjustable in height as well. Now you can add accessories to the back of this scooter through the universal accessory hitch on the back. Things like a walker holder, a rear foldable basket, an oxygen tank holder, and other accessories. And there's a cover for it as well. So let's get into it so you can learn a little bit more about the Roadster 3, why it's a great portable scooter. So on the tiller, this is a Delta tiller. So you got this wraparound oval shape, and it's good for people with limited dexterity in their hands. So you can rest your wrist here and use your index fingers or your middle fingers to accelerate, or you can go forward or in reverse with just one hand. So I can do it with my left hand or my right hand. Or the other benefit of the Delta tiller, you can rest your wrists up here and use your thumbs to also accelerate and decelerate. You have a front headlight. You also have a horn. This is your speed control. Turn it all the way to the rabbit. Your top speed is 4 miles per hour. You can also slow it down if you're going through crowds of people or you just want to go at a slow pace. Also comes with a set of keys. We only have one right now in here. I think we have the other one in the basket. So yeah, here's the other key. Now the tiller is angle adjustable, so I can turn this knob and then I can find the right angle for me and then lock it right into place. I don't see the charging port on the tiller, so I don't think this one comes with a charging port on the tiller, but there is one on the battery pack. So I can actually pull this up and you can charge the batteries. There's 2 batteries inside this battery pack. You can charge it directly on the battery pack itself. So instead of bringing the whole scooter inside your home, you can just take this off and bring it inside, and then once it's fully charged, just bring it back out and put it on your scooter. And when you put it on, there's some metal connectors right here, and there's connectors on the battery pack, so you just line them up and just simply drop it in. And I turned it on, so now it's powered on. So you can see how easy it is to drop the battery pack back in there. Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website, just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video. One of the things that I like about the scooter and a lot of 3-wheel scooters, it has a really long floorboard. So I can stick my feet all the way out, and for reference, I'm 6'4" in height. This feels comfortable to me. So I feel like I would feel comfortable riding this, and it's perfectly fine to put your feet out this far. If it was 4-wheel, you're not gonna be able to put your feet around the front wheel well. So your feet would be like this, or you'd put them on top of the wheel well. Again, I don't have the armrest on here, but just to show you, on the back, the armrests actually go in here, and then you can adjust the width of them when it comes out. So if you didn't have enough seating area, you can extend the armrest out just to give you more area, to give you more comfort. This is also the accessory hitch that I was mentioning, as you can put like a rear basket or an oxygen tank holder onto here. On the back of the scooter, you got some rear reflectors, your anti-tip wheels, and here's your freewheel lever. Right now it's pushed back, it's in the drive position, so I can't push this, these are locked. It locks the electromagnetic brakes. So when I accelerate on the scooter and let off the throttle, the brakes automatically engage, and that's gonna work on inclines or declines. Now, if you were to run out of battery life and you needed to push it, you just have to turn off the scooter, push it forward. Now I can push it manually. You just can't operate it when it's in neutral. You have to push it back into drive in order to operate the scooter. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're gonna verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. So in addition to the armrest being adjustable, you can swivel the seat. There's a lever here. You swivel it to the side. That's how you can get in and out of the seat. It's a nice deluxe padding, deluxe stadium style seat. So you got a lot of padding on here. Let me get a couple measurements of the seat just so you get an idea. Seat width, it's about 17.5 inches. The thickness, about 3.5 inches. So you got a lot of thickness on here. Seat depth, it's about 17, and seat to the top of the seat back, it's going to be 15. Ground to the top of the seat, looking at about 22.5, 23 inches. So let's show you how to disassemble. First thing you're going to do, fold the seat back down. The same lever you use to swivel, just pull that up, and then you just pull the seat off of the seat post. The next step, I'm going to turn off the scooter, take the key, and put it in my pocket. You don't want to accidentally accelerate while you're disassembling, and it's a good idea to always turn it off when you're getting on and off the scooter as well. You can remove the basket by just tapping the bottom. It comes right off. The next step is I'm going to pull the battery pack off. So just lift it right off. After that, I'm going to use the same knob I used to adjust the tiller, adjust it all the way down to about level of the floorboard, and then lock it into place. And it still is going to turn, so you have to lock the tiller so it doesn't turn when it's in your vehicle. So now I have this up in a vertical position, so now it's going to stay stationary. It's not going to bounce around the back of your vehicle. The last step is I'm going to grab the seat post and pull up this lever. Actually, instead of grabbing the seat post, I'm going to pull up this lever, and I'm going to push down on this part. And now this is the heaviest piece, which weighs 29 pounds. So if you're capable of lifting 29 pounds, this might be a good option. You just have to have the ability to take it apart. Obviously, putting it back together, pretty simple. Line these hooks up on this bar. When you do that, I just drop it into place, and now this snaps into place here. After that, I'm going to make sure this knob is now turned sideways, so that way you can turn the tiller when you drive it. And I'm going to adjust the tiller up, lock that into place, drop the battery pack on the floorboard, line up the peg on the seat post of the seat, and attach the basket, and that's it. So pretty easy. You can probably disassemble or reassemble this scooter in less than a minute. So again, this is the Roadster 3. Great portable mobility scooter, good for tall people. If you have questions about it, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800 800-682-9444. And I forgot to mention that it does come with a manufacturer's warranty from Merits. And when you purchase a Merits product from us, we also throw in a 1-year in-home service contract, so you have added peace of mind. So if anything goes wrong in the first year, we will send a technician to your home to fix that issue for the first year. So if you have questions about the scooter, call us at the number below. It's 1-800-682-9444, or you can just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.